doing a review on the Tucci Di Lusso belt that I received. I haven't opened it yet. I just did the unboxing of the package, and now this is going to be my first time seeing it here. The box looks very elegant. It's very nice, simple. Let's see what's inside, how it looks. I mean, it's a belt, so let's see. It comes in nice styrofoam. Oh, a brown belt, okay. Actually fits what I'm wearing, I guess. Very nice. It's heavy, feels very sturdy. Ooh, I like that it comes in gold and silver. That is nice. I like that very much. Well, let's see how it works. Oh, I like it. No holes. Just clasp mechanism, I guess. I have to see how that actually works, because that looks very cool. Let's see here. If I can get this undone. Let's see. Very nice. Feels very, very nicely made. Belt might actually be big on me. Let's see. Oh. Actually, it's not. It fits very nice. Oh, I like this very much. Not having to worry about notches or anything. This is very cool. How do I? Oh, let's see. How does it undo? Not really sure how it undoes. When you're done with it. Instructions. Does it just come off? Oh, little lever here. Very cool. This is nice. This is really nice. Yeah, man, this is a belt to have right here. Oh man, I wish I had my other belt to show that it's all worn. It has a bunch of holes in it from weight fluctuation. So this is actually very cool. This is super easy to take off. That is very neat. And like I said, I love that it comes in two different styles. So, you know, gold or silver depending on the outfit. What would be really cool if the belt was reversible too, like black or brown, so that, you know, depending on the outfit that you were wearing, you could reverse it. But I guess you wouldn't really be able to work. That wouldn't be able to work with the mechanism. Oh, actually, here's so you can compare. This is the belt that I usually use, and as you can see, I've had to actually do another notch in it because I dropped weight, and it's just worn. It's just beat up. But this looks awesome. Look at this. It's just very cool. And then when you're done using it, just very cool. That is an awesome belt. Love it. 5 out of 5.